Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. With a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the lock nut holding the lower part of the shock absorber. Open the trunk and remove the plastic cover on the shock absorber. Using adjustable pliers, hold the stem of the shock absorber and unscrew the nut with a 16mm spanner. Remove the strut mount. You can now remove the shock absorber.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Take the new shock absorber. You need to pump it several times on the actuator to get the system going. Now install the sleeve and the suspension strut support bearing from the old shock absorber if you don't want to change them. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Put the upper strut mount back in place. Screw the upper holding screw back in using an adjustable spanner and a 13mm socket. Put the plastic cover back on. Slide the lower part into its housing and screw it back in. You can use a jack to help you align the location of the screws and the foot of the shock absorber. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.